So we're going to be using this, well, I repurposed this drill box, but we're going to be using this awesome label maker that I picked up off of Craigslist to make the labels for the fuel injection harness. And there's all kinds of different stuff, but what I like the most is it comes with heat shrink, or you can get heat shrink tubing for it to put on stuff to label. And we're also going to be using this clear heat shrink over the labels to help protect it further. And I just picked this up from Del City. So that's what we're going to be doing. Here's the harness off the car. We've got the passenger side bank here, driver's side bank here. These are the adapter plugs that I'm going to be taking off and putting correct ends on. So I ordered this kit. And here are the correct ends, same ends that are on the adapters, but I'm going to hardwire that into the harness so we can do away with the adapters. Okay, so this is the way it works. I'm going to take off the adapter. Just going to pull back the rubber here so we can clip that wire down just as far as we possibly can. Clip those off like that. Then before we do anything, I'm going to take the heat shrink tube that I made. I'm going to go ahead and slide that over. Okay, here's a little close-up of what this looks like. This is the heat shrink tube label. You're going to slide that on. Then I'm going to shrink it down. Okay. Then I'm going to take the clear heat shrink and we're going to put that over it. And we're going to shrink that down. Just like that. And that's what we end up with on each one of the injectors. And this is the mess of adapter plugs that we took off and replaced the ends. So the injector harness had the opposite end of this and we replaced them with this. Just a lot of clutter that we got to remove and potential failure points with all those connections. Here's some of the finished install. You can see I've got the coils numbered, and maybe a little hard to see, but down in there are the injectors after we change the ends on them, and they are labeled. See, that one said injector 1 and so forth.